If you don't have the LDAC or LHDC option in the Bluetooth device settings on a Xiaomi 17, then the reason why you might miss these options, why they might not be available for you, is because of an app that you may have installed for your Bluetooth device. So if you just installed an app for your Bluetooth device, you want to check settings for that Bluetooth device, inside the app of course, and search for sound quality settings or something similar to that. For example, in my case, I can choose the priority between the connection quality and the sound quality. And if I choose connection quality, then I lose the option to use LDAC in this specific case. But if I switch to the sound quality, and if I go back now to Bluetooth device settings, and then re-enter Bluetooth device settings on the phone, as you can see now over here, I do have LDAC. So this is the whole trick. Just check settings, sound settings of your Bluetooth device if you installed an app, and see if there's anything that you can do in order to actually prioritize the sound quality over anything else. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.